We have a solution to help you beat the heat anytime and any place. The Performance Cool Towel is simple to use. As the instructions on the plastic pouch say, fill the pouch with cool water and let the 8-inch by 35-inch towel soak long enough to be saturated. Then, wring the towel out. Seconds later, the water begins an evaporative process that absorbs heat from your skin and provides cool, instant relief. Since the microfiber towel is reusable, you can stay cool simply by repeating the process as often as necessary.